be dead!
Watch him rollin', watch him go, watch him rollin', watch him go, watch him rollin', watch him go. He be rollin' down the street, he be rollin' to the beat.
Statement: if P, then Q.
Converse: if Q, then P.
Inverse: if not P, then not Q. Alright, so we have a Venn diagram here and a rectangle outside. You might be wondering, what the heck is this rectangle for? Well, that's just showing all animals. And beside that, you have small furry animals and duck-billed animals. The small and furry animals are this side, and duck-billed are this side. But in the middle, that's where there's a small furry animal and a duck-billed animal. That's a platypod, platypus is. And then the small furry animals are moles, my cat, rabbit skunks, and Jeremy Dwyer. And the duck-billed are swans, geese, and ducks, of course. And then on the outside, we have just regular animals here, which aren't inside because they're not duck-billed or small and furry. So we got worms and naked mole rats. And that's how you Venn diagram.
This right here, if the problem is A and B, which would look like, or no, not that, A and B, right? Then this part right there is the region where the two sets overlap, and that would be called the intersection, right here. But if the problem was A or B, which would be like this whole chunk right there, then this part where they meet, A or B, that would be called the complement. No, the union. Math.
Today we will be learning about the law of contrapositive. The contrapositive of a conditional statement is formed by negating both the hypothesis and the conclusion, and then interchanging the results of the negations. So for example, if you have a statement, if Jeremy forgets to tie his shoes, then he will cry. And then the contrapositive, if Jeremy does not cry, then he didn't forget to tie his shoes, but he'll probably still cry.
The top rope.
Hello class. Today we're going to learn about the law of detachment. So here's an example. It's if P, then Q. So if the answer is P, it's equal to Q. And here's an example. If you are a penguin and you live in the southern hemisphere, if you are a penguin, and then you live in the southern hemisphere.
Who can say where the road goes?
Syllogism. If P, then Q. If Q, then R. So, therefore, if P, then R. Got some problems over here. Let's just skip to this one. Right. If it snows today, then I will wear my gloves. If I wear my gloves, then my fingers itch. Therefore, if it snows, then my fingers will itch. Alright, so you got to translate your short verbal arguments into symbolic form. So you got your major key alerts over here, your P, your Q, your AND, which looks like an A. The 4 dots are therefore the 3 dots and like a little triangle. Squiggle equals not. and then this kind of arrow equals if and only if, and then this kind of arrow just equals then, right? So this one's like the easiest problem on the planet. Just there you go, done. This one, you gotta think about it a little more. I am not watching from my window if and only if Johnny is not outside. So it's just there you go. I am Q. Well, it's not Q. So squiggle Q. If and only if. So this kind of arrow, and then it's another squiggle because it's not outside. So then it's P.
Hello, class. We are going to go over an example. Statement. If Cornisha has hot fries, then she is lit. Converse. If Cornisha is lit, then she has hot fries. Inverse. If Cornisha does not have hot fries, then she is not lit. Contrapositive. Beatrice, would you like to give us an answer? Wrong. The right answer is, if Cornisha is not lit, then she does not have hot fries.
I've been really trying, baby.
Okay, so you have statement, which is the original thingamajigger you got, and then converse is just switching it. So the Q and the P switch, and then inverse, they both become negative, so they negate. So it's if not P, then not Q. But then contrapositive, you just take both these and just combine it for one little thing right there, and then if not Q, then not P.
Give birth.